What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and this is part 2 of a 2-part series of getting the engine, transmission, all of that stuff back together. Well, together for the first time and in my car. If you didn't see part 1, you go back and watch part 1. But anyway, this is going to be very work intensive, and you just get to sit back and watch us put my car together, which needs to be in here. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. So alright guys, before we actually get started, did want to make a quick note on your starter. You're gonna have to do a little clearancing on your starter. Now again, it depends on what starter you go with, what headers you go with, what K member you go with, but again, make sure you're mocking up when you put all this stuff together, because you don't ever know what's going to be touching, what's not going to be touching. So anyway, let's get to work. Alright, so 2.5 hours later, we actually have the headers, motor mount, K member, everything is back together. Let me tell you about a job. This is a job. I'm going to show you real quick, just in case you were wondering. Those aren't the hard ones. Those are pretty easy. Then you got this one. Sorry if you can't see it, but then you got that one. And you're not going to get to that bolt because that's in the way, and so this ends up being a major job. But again, you're dealing with a swap. It is what it is. Alex, you tore it up, dude. I could not have done this without Alex. Seriously. I was getting pissed off. Alex was like, here, let me help out. And then we just kind of tag teamed it for a little while. But here it is. It's ready to go in the car. 7, 8, something or other months later.
He passed away 2 years ago.
Oh, man. But dude, this is insane. 30,000 mile, 95 Lightning. Just unreal. Everything's there, like no one's messed with it. The original tires are still on it. They're getting a little dry rotted, but not too bad. Interior, absolutely perfect. Cody, that is blasphemy. You will not touch this truck. In fact, step back a few steps.
I had thought about
this thing is just unreal. Mike's dad actually bought the truck brand new, and he lost his dad a couple years ago and inherited this truck. And it stays put, obviously, but Mike had to grab an axle, broken axle in his Fox, but this truck is unreal. Hold on, I'll show you the mileage here. You can see it's got the original Lightning floor mats. All right, let's see here. What's it say? 36,000 miles. Technically, it's still under warranty.
Pretty much.
But yeah, guys, I am a huge fan. I had a 93 black, and I love these trucks. So of course Mike pulled up and had me drooling all over it. And you're gonna take really good care of it, right?
Oh yeah. It stays in the garage. It don't go nowhere.
Wow, love it. You can bring this thing by anytime. I'll just stand back and look at it.
Matches your car, man.
Yeah, it does, for real. Well, especially with all the, oh God, don't look at my car. All right, guys, so of course we had to move Corey's car out with the Power Glide under it. So we never miss a moment for the cam. How do you feel about the Power Glide? Cody, Power Glide? Yes. Power Glide. Yes, I approve of this message. Uh-oh, he's coming back. Watch out, kid. Woo. My God. So the bay is open. We got to sit this thing back down on the cart and do it to it.
Been there for the last time, huh?
Yes, thank you for the last time, baby.
Yeah, thanks for the help, Ken.
Well, he told me the video. He wanted to.
Somebody's got to hold the camera.
He wanted it to look like he was actually doing something, so I had to film.
Dad's back again. You see him smiling from here.
See, Cody, he wants me to film, so it looks like he does something up here.
Oh, okay. I see.
Hey kid, we have not actually shown the channel my new wheels.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Guys,
There we go, baby.
he is
14 inch.
He's rocking.
No, they are 15 inch.
They're 15s.
We're rocking it.
That's his new wheel, guys. That's all he's gonna run.
That's about center. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna have to come.
It's gonna go back to the bank.
Not bad.
Hold on, man.
Hold on, yeah, we're gonna see where the shifter is gonna poke itself up through. It's way back in there. Okay, so current situation. Current situation. Looking good, Cody?
Yeah. In my
Yeah.
house.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna try this, but I don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Aluminium.
We're looking here. I think that output shaft's
That
not
was
gonna
him.
work.
That was him.
I'm gonna clean it up. Just give me a minute. I was trying to
That was your boy.
No, it
do
wasn't
stuff
me.
here.
I wouldn't do you like that.
shut up, Ken. Jeez.
He sounded like Philip.
That's
That might work.
that might work.
What's
The
that?
drive shaft might work. I think that's Scott's old drive shaft. But we're in. The rear end has not been swapped out yet. No, it's still sitting there, but that's all right. No sweat, right, Ken? But
No sweat. There it is.
So it has been a crazy day. It's been a crazy day. Of course, you can see the engine is in. You've already seen that. Transmission is under there. Putting the 5-lug stuff on it right now. Right now, we do have some clearance issues. Not horrible, but enough to cause us problems. The trans mount and the driver's side collector are wanting to be very close to each other. They're like going steady, and so we're looking at different options on how to remedy that problem way down in there. So that's where we're at. Everybody's hot and tired and looking kind of whooped. So that,
It's over.
yeah, long and busy day. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we're gonna get this one way or the other. We'll figure it out, I promise.